Hey guys, it's Shubhu and welcome to this really short tutorial. Now sometimes when you open a new document and you think you're gonna take a brush, so you go here and let's say you want the color to be blue and you want to paint something. Let's paint a squiggly line. As you can see, opacity is 100, flow is 100, everything is 100, but the color is gray. Okay, let's take another color. Maybe I have mistaken it. Okay, so the black is working, but no other color is. Okay, this is very weird. And I'm pretty sure this is why you have come here, because this thing is happening with you, and it's a very quick fix that you can do this with text. You take a text, you write AV. Okay, so let's do this. As you can see, when I take the text and I put it in, it's gray. But if I change the color to, let's say, I don't know, yellow, let's make it yellow, and it's still gray. So why is this happening? Well, it's a very quick fix. You're going to do it. It's gray. Why is this happening? You ask me. Okay, this is why you have come here, because this has most certainly happened with you. It's happening because you go to image, it's go to mode, and you make it RGB color, and from here on out you can see the red color coming up here, and you can take the brush and you can paint and it's red. You can take it and yellow and it's yellow. So for some reason, sometimes when you open a document, I don't know why this happens. Most of the time it doesn't, sometimes it does. And when it does, you get this. You can pick any color and it will still show gray. And the brush over here, as you can see, the moment I turn this to mode grayscale, and you say don't show again, and you say discard, and this is the thing you get. You get it gray no matter what color you change it to. You will either get it black, gray, or white, nothing else. So this is how you fix it. Image, mode, and you get to RGB, and you can paint it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.